So let's do a times a next. 4 and 5 are given. The easy ones will be 15, 1, 3, 5. And 7 minus will be 1, 8. 32 will be 1, 4, 8. Which means for the 3 divide, this has to be 2, 6. And this will be 3, 7. So this 2 has to be 4. So they have to be 1, 3, which means this is 7, this is 3. And this has to be 5 because of the naked pair. So 1, 3. Just check to make sure I didn't do anything stupid. And for 42, 7 has to appear, and you can have 1, 6 or 2, 3, but you cannot have 1 here because of the naked pair. And for the 3 divide, for the same reason, naked pair, you cannot have 1, 3. You can only have 2, 6. And the number left for this column will be 4, 8. So for 3 minus, you cannot not have 1. You can have 7 and 5, 5, 7. The 6 plus will be 1, 2, 4, 5. And 13 will be 5, 6, 7, 8. So 12, this is 12. 12 plus 9, 21. So for this row, every row in a times a has a sum of 36. So this is 12, this is 9, and this is 21. So this 2 cell has to be 15, which means one of them must be 7, the other one's 8. So this has to be 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6, 2, 4, 6. And 2, 6, 2, 6. Naked pair, you can now have 2, 6 here. So you cannot have 3 for this 2 because, well, actually you can. My bad. The number left for this column will be 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7. And for the 1 minus, it will be 2, 4, 6, 8. And the number left for this column will be 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 2, 4, 6, 8, 6, 8. Because you can now have 4 here, you can now have 2 here. So for 2 divide, it's 1, 2, 4, 8. You can now have 3 here, so you can now have 6 here. So the 5 minus will be 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. So for the 15 plus, if this is 7, we have 8 left, which will be 2 6. You can now have 3 5 or 4 4. So that's it. And for 8, there will be 7 left. It will be 1 6, 2 5, which cannot happen, or 3 4. And this 5 minus will be 1 2 3 6 7 8 as well. Hmm. 14. This is 14, 40, 29, 7. So for this 36, there are too many possibilities, I suppose. You can have 1 2 3 4 6. One thing to notice here is that if this is 7, this will be 5 8. If this is 8, this will be 6 7. Either way, 7 and 8 will appear in this column already. It's already, it will, yeah, forget about my grammar. So the point I want to make is that you cannot have 7 8 other than these 3 cells. So 8 cannot appear here. So this cannot be 8. If this is 8, this has to be 7. There's no way you can get 13. So this cannot be 8. So this has to be 7. This must be 8. And you will not have 2 here because you cannot have 5. And you cannot have 3 here because 8 is already be filled in. And 7 has to appear in these 2 cells for this column. So it must be 2 7 for these 2 cells. So you cannot have 2 here. And for this one, it cannot be 8, so it must be 6. So 5 8 for here. So the rest will be 1 2 3 4. So 1 2 3 4, the 3 minus, it will be 4 5 6 7 1. Great. Four, 6, 3, 8, 7. It seems like I got stuck here. Let's put the possible candidates anyways. So you cannot have 8 in either in any of these cells because you cannot have 8 here. Because the rest would be 1, but you can have 8 here. So and 1 for these 2 cells. But the thing is, it's already 1 8 for these 2 cells. So you cannot have 1 8 in the same column as same row as this cell. It's 4 7 5 8 5. For 4 minus will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 because you cannot have 3, you cannot have 7. 1 2 1 2 4 5 6 8. It's okay, you cannot have 4 here, you cannot have 8 here. So we do not seem to have 7 in this column, it appears. If it appears here, then it will be 5 8, so it's 3. So if it appears here, if 7 appears here, this will be 5, this will be 8, and this has to be 3, and this has to be 4, which cannot happen. It can happen. Jesus Christ. 8 5 7 3 4 8 6 1 3 left. Wow, that's a dead end. I'm looking for a breakthrough. Where is the breakthrough? Oh, the 6. 6 in this row can only appear here, so it must be either 5 or 7. And the 3 can only appear here. Just check to make sure I'm doing everything right. Okay. So this has to be 3 4, so delete 6 6, and naked pair, so delete 3 4. So this is 3, this is 6, and this has to be 6, so you cannot have 4 here, and 1 here. So it's 2 3 2 3, so this has to be 4 1 3 4. Okay, it's gonna solve. Seven, which means seven has to appear here. And 7 appears here. 7 plus 2 is 9, so we have to have 6 or 2. So 2, 6, 7, that's a naked triple. You cannot, so you cannot have 2, 6, 7 anymore. 2, 6, 2, 6, 7. So that's 1, 4, 5, 8 left. You cannot have 5. What, you can. My mistake. And this is 1, this is 5. Okay, I want to leave that blank. I don't want to do with something else first. So you cannot have 7, because if you have 7 you must have 1 appear somewhere, but you cannot, so this must be 5. 2, 3, that is 5, and this is 7. This is 7. So you cannot have 2 here. And you cannot have 1 because there are no 6. So 1 has to appear here. And this would be 8 and 5 and 6. 1, 3, 2, 3. Oops. Okay.